we are seeing that there is a possibility of resistance around where the market, and even slightly higher, even if the market was, let's say, to trade in this area here, that will still be within the potential for resistance. What I'm talking about can be seen from a couple of different vantage points. There's this break point here. You can do it like that, which is this break off the highs somewhere there, and we can extend it something like that. So around here, if the market rolls over and confirms resistance, then this is where you start seeing the market pull back.